So today's lesson is going to be fairly short. It's about two-way tables. A two-way table is when you're comparing two variables. So for example, in this two-way table, what is your favorite sport to watch on television? So the variables are, whether male or female, and then the favorite sport, right? And if we wanted to look at all the males, right? What we would do is we would add up going across, right? So we would take 40 plus 22 plus 15 to get all the males that watch sports. And same thing with the females. We would go across the row to add that up. Now, if we wanted to know all the people who like football, we would look at the column and go down, and we would see that for football, it's 52 people, both men and women, we don't care, like football, right? 60 like baseball, right? So the idea here is that a two-way table allows us to separate data and by different variables, right? And when I say variable, right, it's the thing that it's what we're looking at, right? It's the question that we have, right? So, for example, let's look at here, right? So it's important to have a calculator when you're doing this. Like right next to me right now is a calculator. And so I have here I have a high school diploma. I have males and females, and then I have the level of education they have. And what's fun about this, and what I suggest doing is it's like a puzzle, and you just like kind of fill in a piece, and then you see then that piece you use to answer the other piece. So in your guided notes, there's a bunch of questions about how many females have a high school diploma, how many people got their bachelor's degree, all that good stuff. So you just what I do here, you're going to put that into your guided notes. So what I'm going to do to find this is I'm going to take my total, and I'm going to minus it from the men to find out how many females, right? So 28 minus 16, 12. All right, and so here they just want the total, so I'm just going to add 46 plus 51. 97. And then here, what do you think I'm going to have to do? I can do a number of things. For me, the easiest thing would be to take 6 minus 3 to find here, or I could take 65 minus 46 minus 16, and I would still get the same number, which is 3. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these numbers and add them across. So 12 plus 51 plus 3, 66. And then what I'm going to do is take 65 and 66, add it together, and I get 131. And it's always good to check, right? So I'm going to check with these three numbers. If they equal 131, I know that I did a pretty good job, and I'm done. 131. I did a pretty good job. So, and that's how you operate it with a two-way table. So you're going to practice it for the rest of the week, and then next week we're going to start something different.